Hello, thanks for stopping by. Today I would like to speak a little bit about positivity. Just yesterday, I had a conversation with someone who said to me, Karin, you and your constant optimism. How can you always be so positive? Actually, I'm not always positive. Positivity takes a lot of effort and the intention to be positive. Positivity is truly a choice. However, we cannot produce positive results with a negative mind. That's why it is so important that people are aware that their attitude matters. It matters a lot. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best. Please subscribe, like, and share.